Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to upscale your videos to 4K quality using Topaz Video AI. First import your video. Now go in preset option and set upscale to 4K and 60 fps. In output resolution, set original. After that, set parameters auto to manual. Now set fix compression 50, improve details 80, sharpen 25, reduce noise 60, anti-alias -30, recover details 70. Now preview your video with this Topaz settings. After processing, you can see before and after video result. This is my Topaz video export settings. You can copy my settings. After that, if you are happy with this Topaz video quality, then proceed to export. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.